Today I'll be replacing a gateway NV53A screen. It's cracked, as you'll be able to see in a second. As you can see, it's a cracked screen, and I'll be replacing it with a brand new screen. Turn it back off. On this particular model, there's only 2 screws at the bottom of the screen, and there's 2 little covers that they just glued, so you just have to pry them open to get to the screws, as you can see here on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and take out these little screws. Actually, before I continue, make sure it's unplugged, and also take the battery out. So I'm gonna go back to the screws. I already took both of them out. Now I'm gonna start prying apart the 2 plastic pieces, the bezel. It's just clipped on, and just have to go all the way around. I have a little pick from a guitar, which is pretty good to pry these open. Have to go all the way around. Including the bottom. Using my nail in this case, all of it is out. I will be putting a piece of paper here, so when I take it off of the hinges, it doesn't go back in. So what I'm going to do now is pry this out. As you can see here, fairly easy. So the bezel is out, and as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that I'll be taking out in order to. Okay, all 4 screws are out. Now I've got to be careful because this one is equipped with a webcam, and there's wires in the back. They're actually glued, and hold it on top and bring it down so the wire gets actually unglued and will follow the back cover. Make sure that nothing else is pulling in any wires, and just lay it down. Now, as you can see here, this is an LED screen, and the replacement that came from laptopscreen.com. This was the box. They actually packed it very nicely inside 2 bubble wrap envelopes. And this is our brand new screen. You could compare. It has the same type of connectors right here. We're going to start removing this one. Okay, since now that is out, we'll be removing the actual screen. The screen has a few screws on both sides, as you can see here. 1, 2, gonna start on this side. 3, okay. You came off from the frame. Go ahead and get this in place. I'll start usually from the top. It will hold the entire screen on both sides. Okay, one side is done. Okay, this side is also done. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the wires. Gotta be very careful, this is very fragile connectors. Okay, glue it back in. Make sure it don't come out. What I'm going to do now is test the screen. I'm going to plug it in. As you can see, perfect screen working. Well, this happened because I shut it down. Perfect. All we have to do now is put the cover back up, put the remaining screws up, and there it goes. Replacing a LCD screen, a cracked LCD screen. I don't know if you noticed, but the screws go on the inside. The outside is for the cover. Let's see if it does it first try. Yes. Okay. Make sure everything is nice and tight. Yes. Close. Fine. Let's put the bezel back in. Open it all the way. Like I did once before, we need to force it a little bit in because you won't go in the first time around. There we go. Clicked, clicked, click all the way around. Perfect. The bottom. You could close it even and make sure that the piece went into place, including the hinges. The hinges, they have to click and click. Okay. We're done. Put the remaining 2 screws in place. The second one. Perfect. Pick up the little screw covers. Put them back in. So the bezel looks untouched. Same thing on this side. Perfect. Perfect. Replacement of an LCD screen. LCD LED screen, which came from laptopscreen.com on this box, and done.